Hello, a very good evening to you. High pressure dominates our weather through the rest of this week, and for northern England and southern Scotland it means generally dry conditions, some very warm spells of sunshine to come. Temperatures will be building a little bit, particularly for western areas into the weekend and beyond, triggering a few thundery downpours Sunday and into Monday. But really, very settled in an outlook weather-wise. High pressure in charge. It's blocked across the UK, preventing any real frontal activity from moving in, pulling up some warm air from the south, triggering one or two showers into next week, but temperatures in general remaining well above average for the time of year. Back to this evening and overnight tonight across northern England and southern Scotland, bits and pieces of low cloud and mistiness. It'll be dry certainly, and pretty chilly in one or two very sheltered spots, down to 2 or 3 degrees. A bit more of a breeze for western areas, Stranraer and parts of western Cumbria at around 7 degrees tonight. Other than that, a chilly start to the day tomorrow. Those are the sun times. It's up at 5:16, setting a minute past 9 tomorrow evening. Lots of sunshine from the word go tomorrow. Bits and pieces of cloud for Dumfries and Galloway initially, but for most of us, blue skies and long warm spells of sunshine to come during tomorrow afternoon. Winds are very light and temperatures in sheltered spots could potentially reach 18 or 19 degrees. A vastly different feel to the day for North Sea coast than today, where it's barely reached 11 or 12. The outlook into the weekend staying fine and dry. Temperatures are on the rise. Bye-bye. Hello again. A settled outlook through the rest of the week thanks to the dominance of high pressure. It'll be dry for the northeast of England with warm sunny spells to come. 1 or 2 showers perhaps into next week, but temperatures in general on the rise. High pressure blocking any real frontal activity from moving in, and we're continuing to feed in this very warm air from the south into the weekend and next week as well. Back to this evening's details, and for the northeast, dry, a few clear spells, some mistiness here and there, and for sheltered spots, a touch of frost, 2 or 3 Celsius, but our towns and cities staying at around 6 or 7 degrees tonight. A chilly start in places too tomorrow morning. The sun is up at 5:11. It sets at 8:53 tomorrow evening. A vastly different feel to the day for the northeast tomorrow. From the word go, blue skies, lots of sunshine, very light winds, and temperatures have really struggled today, but during tomorrow afternoon it could easily reach 18 or 19 Celsius. UV levels will be high, and the outlook, it's settled with plenty of sunshine to come this weekend. Temperatures feeling pretty good. Bye-bye for now. Hello, a very good evening to you. High pressure in charge still of our weather through the rest of this week. It'll be dry for the northwest of England with warm sunny spells to come. Temperatures will be picking up into the weekend and into next week. The air will become more unstable, and it's likely there'll be a few thundery downpours Sunday and into Monday. But we can see the dominance of that high pressure blocking everything across the UK, pulling up warm air from the south. By the end of the week and into next week, temperatures will be boosted even more. But back to this evening's details, a few pockets of mist here and there, a dry night to come, and still pretty chilly in rural spots before tomorrow morning, perhaps down to 3 or 4 Celsius. Winds falling very light, and in our towns and cities staying at 7 or 8 degrees before tomorrow morning. On to the details for tomorrow. The sun will be up at 5:20, setting at 5 to 9 tomorrow evening. Tomorrow then, a beautiful start to the day in fact. Any early mist will lift really quickly. Wall-to-wall sunshine for many of us through the morning. Some fairly high UV levels. The sunshine will be strong. It stays dry, fine and pretty warm tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures peaking at 20 Celsius, particularly in urban areas tomorrow. Looking ahead to the weekend, more of the same, certainly to start with on Saturday, and temperatures will be boosted as we head through into Sunday and beyond, potentially reaching 26 degrees by Monday. The air remains stable through Saturday and much of Sunday, but a few thundery downpours could develop later in the day and certainly to start the working week. Enjoy your evening.